Want to create adorable personalized baby name puzzles in minutes, not hours? If you have a laser cutter, CNC, or 3D printer, you can make perfectly sized puzzles with zero guesswork. Designing name puzzles is a nightmare. Spacing letters by hand, guessing clearances, resizing boards, and then hoping everything actually fits when you cut it. So I built a name puzzle SVG generator that does it all for you, automatically. Just type a name, choose your letter size, and the board resizes itself instantly. Every letter is perfectly outlined. Pockets fit with ideal laser clearance. You can adjust full word or in between individual letter spacing. Even optional notches, making it easier for kids to remove letters. Here's a name puzzle I cut earlier. The fit is perfect, letters sit flush, pockets are smooth, and the finished puzzle looks totally professional. The name puzzle generator also includes features such as automatic board sizing, multi-line names, rounded kid-safe font, perfect gap spacing, and fully parametric controls for every dimension. If you make laser cut puzzles or want to start a personalized baby shop, you're going to love this tool. Try Name Puzzle Designer today. Link in the description. Happy making. Thank you.